Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Klarna account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing would be simply for you to access your Klarna. Can be on your app or can be on your web browser. Once you have done so, simply go ahead, get logged in. Then afterwards you're gonna go ahead, tap on the settings icon of yours, and then you simply gonna scroll down to the bottom to this option called the help center. Afterwards you're gonna go ahead, tap on this option called the personal details, which will show you this option of how you can close your account. Once you have tapped on it, you can scroll down to the article, and then you find this option called contact us. Simply go ahead, tap on this contact us, which will give you two options, which will let you simply contact the support and let you live chat. You can go ahead, go to the live chat section, and you can simply write down the message like, hey, excuse me, I would like to close my account. So and the key point is you have to keep on sending the messages again so they can read for yours first, and then they can give you priority and close your account. Afterwards they will let you know at the further process for you to do so, and then you'll simply be able to delete your account just like that. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.